Alright, here's a video of our Scotchman. It's a Model DO, as in dual operator, 95/140. That's 95 tons at the punch, 140 at the, or is it, I might have said that wrong. Yeah, 95 tons at the punch, 140 at the back. First we're going to put something in the shear. We put the clamp down. We're just going to use the jog button. You can use jog or you can use the foot pedal. Go pick that piece up on the other side and show you the cut. Where'd it go? Came flying out. Pull that piece out. Let's look at the cut. A little bit of a burr on the thinner stuff. Alright. The press brake. What do you want to do next? Press brake. Off center. You're supposed to center load it, but a little off center won't bother it at all. There's your part. Here's the Copper notcher. Works fine. That's this pedal. It's coming up. We're waiting on the blade. Hard to get my steel toe deep enough in there to punch. Once it's in there, that's okay. The blade's nasty. The previous owner had welded it. But right now it's not adjusted good, so you will need the new blade. Everything's in grease. This whole arm that this is on, which is pinned here, which is the shear blade, goes all the way back here through this pin. That whole arm has been taken off, and so we've cleaned those pins and we cleaned the arm off and greased it. So there's the whole machine. Oh, and here's the punch. We got bolts coming to hold the new cover on. I'll get that out of the way. That swings out of the way. There we go. And then of course you have the stops to adjust how far up and down the punch goes. Thanks for viewing.